Hey guys, what's up? Everyone out there wondering what is MD up to today? This. Putting Oliver's drone together, so I got everything soldered up, the pins on the flight controller. It's going to be real nice connecting everything with the pins, just put the flight controller on there. Got the motors mounted, and ESCs mounted, so now I'm mounted the PDB board. I got all the pins, the buzzer, everything jumped on the back side. 12 volts for the VTX, 12 for the camera. Just make sure your camera power can handle it. It's 5 to 22 volts. And make sure, they say on an F3 flight controller you don't have to put rubber O-rings, but we do just in case. But with these pins and all, I mean, it's really nice. Like it goes down on a real nice, just like that. And that flight controller's connected. It's pretty cool. It's not, I mean, I get, we've got the ones where we've soldered everything, but I really like the pins. I think it helps you soldering across here. Y'all know what I mean. Some of the boards, you know, have that option, but this is a really nice setup here. This flight controller and this PDB board. It is the SP Racing F3 Evo. Really nice, really nice. Let's pull that. You see how that pulls back off there? Sorry guys, I just wanted to share a little bit about what's going on. So now it's to put the wire up the VTX, wire up the camera, wire up the ESCs, put the flight controller on it, and wire it up for PPM, because that's what we're running on this. Oh, this is the what you're gonna have to get a new one of, the FSIA6B, because you see the antenna, how it's busted on here. But I will show you the method on binding it all. It's real easy. You're just gonna unplug it out of this channel, plug in your new one, and then the little bootloader pin that it comes with, boot pin or whatever you call it. Just slide it in. It's easy. I'll do a video for you. It's real simple. So, alright guys, wish me luck and hope it flies. Fingers are crossed. Alright guys, so we got all the ESCs soldered up. We got our positive, our negative, and our signal wire. We have that times 4. So try to do everything, make it look nice and neat. So then we'll put the O-rings on, like here. And then we'll set the flight controller down. Well, actually, no, I'm not ready to do that yet. I got VTX and camera to solder in first. And then the XT connector and all that. So, yep, stay tuned. Okay guys, so now I've gotten to clean my mess up. So I've gotten everything so far mounted. Oliver, we're not going to get to, where's it at? These two standoffs right here, because of the PDB board, if you see what I'm saying. But I'm hoping that we're going to get be able to do this with the two. I think we should be okay. But other than that, everything looks to be good. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up for today. I'm not even going to try to power nothing up. I'm going to give it a break today. I've gotten everything soldered up. I got this on. I'm going to look up the capacitor just to make sure the microfarad and all is going to be the same for this before I attach it to there. And I didn't have no silicone wire, so I had to use harder wire, but I believe I left you enough to just connect up right here. I think you're going to be good without hitting any propellers. So I have to put the VTX on. I got that all wired up, just a matter of plugging it in here. And the camera should work now. I don't want to put no power, nothing to it tonight. Like I said, I'm done with it. Crystal's home, so I'm going to go ahead and just give it a break. I've been at it most of the day, so this is what I've been doing all day. and shut the soldering station off. We're done with that. And this comes in real handy if you're soldering pins on the board and you don't have one of the pin boxes. You just take a piece of foam and just stab it in there and just set it on there. Perfect. So there's some pointers for you. I'm not a pro, so you know I go at it as I go. So teach you guys stuff as I go along and learn things, and that's what it's all about. So everything is ready to go. So we will see about this tomorrow. I'll finish it up tomorrow, putting the receiver. I've done mounted it. So I'll go ahead and put it in, plug it in, put the bind plug in it, and bind it all up, and then we'll do all the little bells and whistles and whatnot, and we should be golden. Hopefully I'll be out there screaming this around the field tomorrow. So we'll see. Like I said, gonna put it up for the night and be done with it. I got a lot done today on it. I feel like I did anyway. And I feel like it's really nice because I took my time. I didn't rush through it. I put everything on as how it's supposed to be. That camera just pops in and out if you don't have your top plate on. So it looks nice and clean. What do you guys think? Let me know. And just let everyone know I soldered everything on this myself. Like everything on here I done. I asked Justin a couple pointers just as I went along, just to make sure that I was on point so I didn't mess nothing up, and I was right where he said I need to be. So we'll see. Maybe all new stuff, and taking your time is where it's at. I'm hoping that's where it's at. So if this thing flies, I will be amazed. I will be so tickled to be able to get this back to O and get him in the air with this bad boy. And then we go back to the whoop that's been whooping my ass. So alright guys, thank you so much. MD signing out, and stay tuned. I know you guys are, just think of the suspense is on my side. I built it, so I want to know if it flies. So, but I will wait till tomorrow because I am very patient and I can wait. So okay, love you guys. Thank you for watching.